Hi, this is Sunny with Discover Energy Systems. In this video, I'll be showing you how to depopulate the unused cables from the battery module combiner. Before you proceed to open your battery module combiner, ensure that all your battery modules are turned off and it's verified with a digital multimeter. To work on the AES RACKMOUNT product line, ensure to implement proper PPE such as gloves, eye protection, and steel-toe boots. And here are some of the tools you may need. 8, 10, 13, 15mm socket, a torque wrench, a ratchet, a digital multimeter, 10mm and 8mm insulated nut driver, a flexible or a very short Phillips screwdriver. It's also very handy to have an electric screwdriver, and finally some electrical tape. To depopulate the cable, first remove the top cover by removing 14 smaller screws on the sides and the back, and the 4 larger screws at the front on the top. Gently lift up the top cover and slide it back. The battery module combiner can house multiple sets of batteries. We recommend to depopulate any unused cables. To remove any unused cables, use the 10mm insulated nut driver to undo the bolt. Now slide the cable out of the knockout. Next, repeat the same process for the negative cable. It is recommended to keep the standoff and the fuse installed in the battery module combiner in case it's needed in the future. Ensure to keep track of your removed bolts. With your unused cables removed, place the top cover back on and ensure to fasten all the screws. And this is how you depopulate any unused cables. Now the battery module combiner is ready to be installed.